What up? What up? What up? What's going on, everybody? How y'all doing? This is Kay, back again with another video. Like, subscribe, also hit that notification. I know it's cold out here, but that's how it is, man. I can't wait for spring. But anyway, you don't have a client problem. You have a marketing problem. Marketing strategy. You know, some people are looking for clients. No one's reaching out to them. No one's calling them. It happens. Okay, it happens to the best of us. I have a training coming out on how you can get clients. Within a year, less than a year, I was able to get 10 clients, 10 referrals. In less than a year, 10 referrals. Most people would think once you get approved, referrals are just going to start dropping in. No, it doesn't work like that anymore. The whole market has changed. You know, if you started back in the day, you know, yes, fine. But things have changed. Policies have changed. So as a new provider, I don't care if it's DDA, RSA, mental health, marketing is key. If you are not marketing your business, you're not using technology and not using the tools, you're not going to be successful. You understand? Now, I know people always have ways to like call coordinators, referral agencies and stuff like that. That's okay. But what else are you doing to put yourself out there? If you're invisible, no one's going to recognize you. No one's going to find you. Every corporation, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Burger King, Chick-fil-A, Taco Bell, name it. They got billions of dollars. They have storefronts in every corner of the country. I mean, if it's Chipotle, whatever it is. But guess what? They still spend money on marketing. Okay? They still spend what? Money on marketing. If you don't have everything set up for your company and you think people are going to look for you, there are people looking for you, going to find you, guess what? They're going to go somewhere else. It's very competitive. There are hundreds and hundreds of people doing the same thing that you're doing. So what makes you different if you are hiding behind the bushes? What makes you different if you are hiding behind the bushes? You don't have a website set up. You don't have Instagram. You don't have Facebook. You don't have LinkedIn. You don't have Google My Business. You're not even on Google. We can't even find you. The only place we can find you is on DDA website, right? Do you think that's and they click on your company name and you don't have a website. You ain't got nothing, but you're looking for clients. So if a family is looking without the service coordinator and they can't find nothing about your company, nothing, they're not going to call you. You understand? Why are you hiding? Don't need to hide. Put yourself out there. Go to these events, networking events. You know what I'm saying? And network. All right? You are planting seeds of 6 months when you go to these events. Even if you get one person to reach out, that's still an accomplishment. Most people, like I remember I consulted with this guy on how to market, and he thought once he goes to an event, people are supposed to start calling it. No, it don't work that way. You got to do the work. You got to grind. A lot of people, you are just lazy. That's just the point. You don't want to do the work. You've been in business for 2 years and you don't have any clients. That is nobody's fault. That is your fault. You understand? It's your fault. Do you know when I go to these events, I see all the big nonprofits in the building, Catholic Charities, Arc of Baltimore, Arc Chimes, John Hopkins, Kennedy Krieger, All these big nonprofits, big corporations, the police department also is out there. Police department don't need to do anything. Their money is from government, but they're still out there in the community. So you that have nobody, what are you doing? You know, what are you doing? One guy reached out, oh, I have a mental health agency. I don't know how to get clients. I said, oh, where are you? He's in the city. In a predominant, like around Madame Mall, right? You're in the city around Madame Mall. You're not going out there to do community events. You're not having giveaways. Like just being in the community, letting people know who you are. And if your services is what they need, they will sign up. You're not paying anybody to come. You're just giving out free food, free resources. You invite 2, 3 of your friends that do the same thing. You guys team up together and have an event. You know what I'm saying? And people will come. There's nothing wrong. Events are happening every month, every week. Look, I'm going to 7 events in the next 2 months. I have 2 events in a day. You know what I'm saying? I'm all over the place. Last year, I went to about 25 events. 25. I put so much money in last year. Eastern Shore, Western Maryland, Baltimore, Harford County. I was everywhere. You know what I mean? Because I believe in what I have. I believe in what I want to do. I'm not going to harass any referral agency for clients. I would not. I'm not going to harass you. I'm not going to call you every week and send you an email every month. No. The only time I will send the emails once I have a new service, I can send it out. Boom. So there's so many ways to get yourself out there in 2026. And if you're not doing these things, you don't need to be in business. Just call it a day. Just go back to your 9 to 5. No, there's no office work in this type of thing. Even if you have 20 clients, you still got to keep doing some type of events, community events, because you are competing. If these bigger agencies are still doing it after 30 years in business, who the hell are you that can't go out to a community event and set up a table and a tent and all your products? All your merch, all the services you provide. You never know who you're going to meet. Last year, I met 4 politicians, and 2 of them were advocates. They were delegates that advocated for people with disabilities or people with autism. Never, ever cut yourself short. You know what I'm saying? You got to put your business out there. I'm not talking about you, but the business, your brand. Okay? You got to put money into the business. You got to get on the road, especially if you're new. You know? Especially if you're new. You can't sit back and wait and call. No, get out there in the community. Get business cards, you know. So I have a course coming up very soon. It's gonna, because people call me all the time and they were like, I need, I do marketing. So I need help with marketing. And when I say give me your company name and I do a research about your company, some companies don't have the tools, they don't have the things in place to help push them out there, which is no fault of theirs. Absolutely. Not everybody's going to know this, but I'm letting you know now. All right. You don't need to hide behind the bushes anymore. You need to put your face on your website and let people know who the hell you are. Oh, yeah. Put your executive team together. Put everything there so they know who they're dealing with. All right. You got to go out there. You got to work. Got to market. What's it called? People, they sell liquor. They know liquor alcohol, they can get you drunk. And you can drive, and people drive and get drunk all the time. But they still sell it and they still advertise it. Cigarettes, they still advertise it, right? They still advertising these things. McDonald's, it's not good for your health. It's not good, right? They say it's not good. It's bad food. Guess what? They're still advertising. So I'm not saying that you advertising your agency is a bad thing. I'm just saying, if those people are advertising it and the customers, they're still getting their customer base, what are you doing? You're waiting for DDA to send you a client? You are going to wait if you don't go out there and work. All right, you gotta put the work in. You gotta put money in. Yes, it's expensive. Yes, it's time consuming. But guess what? It's a great investment. Trust me. Less than a year, I was all over the place. I went to 25 events. I was all over the place, man. Some I'll go during the week, some I'll go on the weekends. Some were just networking. It was just people just sitting down having a conversation. You know what I'm saying? And I went with my business card. I had my business shirt on with my logo. I was all over the place working. You know, you ain't no CEO. Put that CEO title away. Throw that CEO title away. Right now, you are a marketing coordinator. Okay? You are a program director / marketing coordinator. Get some tools, some creating software tools, and start putting out the work. Nobody's just going to give you anything. All right? There's no other way to do it. People are going to tell you, oh, get the money, do it this way. This is a way to do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right? Don't do it. And that's a warning. Don't do it. Whatever way and methods they have out there, don't get yourself caught up in that. All right? Don't trust nobody. Do it the right way, the straight way, and the only way. And you can sleep at night. That's all I'm telling you. It is not that hard. All right? I've been doing business since 2017. I've been marketing. Marketing helps. Marketing should be top of your list. You know, I mean, you pay your overhead like your rent, your cable, your office space. But marketing? Invest more money in marketing and content. People are always on their phones looking, you know. So get a TikTok, get a Facebook, get an Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, whatever. Get on Google My Business and share nonstop. Whatever you share on Facebook, share on LinkedIn, share on Instagram, share on TikTok. Shit. Share on Craigslist if you have to. You're going to find people there. All right, folks. Have a good one. Take care. Peace.